Hey there, it's Tim K back with our Craftsman push mower, model number 917-376-480. Last time I showed you how to change the front tires. This time we're going to go a little deeper and change the whole front wheel adjuster assembly. So come along for the ride. So just like we did last time, we have it propped up on a block. And I'm going to take the nut off here and remove this front wheel. Take the nut off and just slide the wheel out. Okay, with the wheel off, we're going to take a small screwdriver. We're going to pry this little clip off right here. And you just have to work it off, just like that. We slide this gear off. We can pull that washer and the cover off. And there's the adjuster. So, to continue removing it, there's two nuts on the inside. That's pretty much all that holds it on. So hold on and I'll show you what we're going to do. With it propped up, there is one more piece to remove here. There's a tiny little drive pin right here in the shaft. And it just slides out. Just push on one side, the little guy slides right out of there. Alright, you see I've got the mower propped up in the air so I can get to the underside of it. And up front, right here, are those two nuts that we're going to access. Just the two. One either side of that shaft. So we'll go ahead and remove those. They are a 7/16, by the way. So we'll remove the front one first. They're a lock nut, so they're a little stiff. Okay, now that we've removed the first nut, we'll remove the second one. With that nut off, now that we've removed both nuts, we'll just slide the assembly off. It's just going to slide right off the shaft, just like that. And there you go. There's the whole front adjuster assembly removed. Okay, installation is going to be exactly the reverse. We're going to take it, get it about like that. The shaft, going to slide through that bearing. I'm going to have to kind of position it a little bit. Line the bolt holes up. There we go. I'm going to put the two nuts back on from behind. And tighten them down. goes in. We'll put the drive pin back in. And we can put the cover back on. That big old washer can go on the wheel stud. The drive gear goes back on the shaft. Then you're going to want a pair of slip joint pliers. I'm going to slide into the open position. Take this clip. Get it started in the groove. You just take your pliers and snap it right back in. That easy. And last but not least, put the wheel on. Make sure it engages with the drive. Put the nut back in. Just do it up tight. And you're done.